let's start our warm-up. Today, for our workout, we're gonna do lots of burpees. So we're gonna be getting our hips warmed up and our arms warmed up. So let's first do 10 hugs. So out and then switch from over top and under. I've done 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do arm circles forward. And backwards. Put your feet together. I want you to reach as far as you can down and reach as far as you can up. Stop. We're going to do 10 high knees. Let's do 20 high knees. Go. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So I was counting every time my left foot came up. We're going to do butt kicks this time. Go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I just want you to practice. We're gonna go through some squats here. I want you to squat down as low as you can. A lot of you can like sit almost on the ground. Do that, and then I'm gonna just stand up. And then bring my hips forward. So this is gonna look kind of silly, but we're gonna do this 5 times. So you're gonna sit back, sit as far down as you can, and then stand up, and then bring your hips forward. Down. And up. And up. I'm only going to do this 2 more times. As low as you can. We're starting our workout now. It's every minute on the minute burpees. I need you to choose right now whether to do 5 burpees at a time or 10. What did you choose? 5 or 10? So I'm going to do 10, and so that means I will do a total of 50 burpees. A total of 50 burpees, and I'm going to, once I go, I'll do 10 burpees, and then whatever time is left is the time I get to have a break for. And then when the next minute starts, that's when I have to go again. You guys ready? We're doing burpees. I'm doing 10, you're doing either 5 or 10. All right, marks, get set. Go. We're at 30 seconds. We're at 40 seconds. Burpees are really tough for me. There's something that gets my heart up really fast. Got 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, if you were doing 10 and you only want to do 5 now, it's okay. We're at 15 seconds. We've done 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. It's okay to be tired. Like right now, I'm breathing really heavy. We got 10 seconds left. I think we've done 3 so far. 5, 3, 2, 1, go. You just have 1 set left. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. So maybe you're still finishing up your 10. You got about 15 seconds left. 10 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Fresh off your workout, let's do our cool down. We're gonna do 30 seconds each. I'm gonna take my watch off so I can look at it. Cross your arms, like this, and oops. And we're going. We're gonna hold this for 30 seconds. We're gonna do a couple for our top, our upper half, and then we're gonna stretch our lower half. Excuse me. Got about 10 more seconds on this side. Switch. And step. Spread your feet just a little. Keep your legs straight as we go down. We're going to do this for 30 seconds. Step, and we got 3 stretches left, so a minute and a half left. I'd like you just to spread your feet in a comfortable amount. You can have your toes facing out. We're gonna go 30 seconds to the middle, left, and right. So let's go to the middle first. And as you go, if you want, you can keep spreading your feet out, but we really just want a comfortable stretch. So if you're screaming right now, you're going too far. If you want to, you can fold your arms, put your head next to them. Doesn't matter what side you want to go to one side. So you got less than a minute left of stretching, and then we're off to our throwing activity. And switch sides. This is our last 30 seconds. We got 15 seconds left. Five seconds. And stand up. And we're off to our throwing activity.
Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to do fun activity with the ball. Okay. Before we get started though, I want to go over some things with you. Remember, make sure you have enough space to do everything we're doing. You can do these indoors or outdoors. It's up to you. Ask your parents, get the permission before you do anything, or go outside. Or if you're inside, make sure you get permission for the materials you're using. I'm using a red ball. You can use a sock, make a ball out of it, or you could use a piece of paper, wad it up into a ball. You can do all those things with a softer object. It's okay. All right. Some of the things we're going to do today is not directly related to what we've been working on the last several weeks. We are going to do some throwing, but there's going to be some things we're doing that we haven't done. It's just a fun activity to do some different things with an object. Okay. So first, what we're going to do is we're just going to practice taking this ball or object, whatever you have, and we're just going to throw and catch it. Okay, so it's eye-hand coordination type things, where eyes are working with our hands. Okay, so you can follow along with me. If you want to do, the same amount of reps I'm doing, you can. Maybe you can do some more. It's up to you. If you want to pause it, you can do some more on your own. All right, so I'm going to throw and catch. I'm catching with both hands right now. Notice how I'm keeping my body under control. And I'm watching the object into my hands. When I catch it, I watch it. We want to see the object. All right, now I'm going to use one hand. This may be a little bit more difficult if you have a different size object. It might be a little easier. Some of you may remember in my classes we've done this with bean bags and with yarn balls and different things. You can do whatever object you want. Now I'm going to do my other hand. This is the hand I don't use that often. Might be a little bit trickier. Okay. Now I'm going to alternate hands. So I'm going to start in this hand. I'm going to throw and throw the other hand. Kind of like juggling, but it's with one object. Just something fun to do. Really good for your eyes and hands to try and get them working together. This helps out a lot of different sports. Like if you play basketball or you play baseball or softball or football, different sports. Tennis, you're using your hands and your racket together, but you're coordinating them together. So this is really good for all those different sports. All right, so now I'm going to do some clapping and catching. You can see how many claps you can get. obviously if I throw it a little higher, I'm going to get more claps. But we got to be careful depending on where you are. If you're inside an apartment or a room, you don't want to hit the ceiling. Notice how I'm keeping my body under control. I'm not moving around a whole lot. All right, now I'm going to do some little tricky stuff. So I'm going to do kind of same things, but I'm going to do different claps. I may spin my body around and try and catch it. Okay? Remember to be under control. All right? Don't hit the ceiling if you're inside. And just try to catch the object. All right, here we go. Woo! You see that? So I'm clapping behind my body. Under my leg. Oh, I dropped it. I'm back. That might happen. Now I'm going to try. Oh, did you see that? Woo! Try it again. Oh, dropped it. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the object, I'm going to throw it, and then I might spin and catch it. Okay? Remember, be under control. Throw it straight up above you. All right, let's try it. Oh, there we go. I don't want to go too fast. I don't want to get dizzy. All right. So that's a spin and catch. Okay, now I'm going to throw. Then I'm going to catch it, and I'm going to aim for a target. Okay? So make sure you have space. And if you don't have a target on the wall, that's okay. You can throw it something, or just throw it at the wall. So I'm going to throw, catch it, and then I'm going to try and use my 6 cues when I throw. Okay? So we're still trying to work on those cues. All right, here we go. All right. So I'm facing you, I catch it, and then I turn, and I'm sideways, stepping with that opposite foot, eagle arm, bow and arrow, follow through the opposite pocket. Okay? All right, so I'm going to catch, turn, throw. Ooh. In the basket. So I'm going to catch, turn, and throw. Do one more. Notice how I'm facing away. If you want, you can face forward, face the wall and catch and throw. I like to do this because it's a little bit more challenging. Okay? But if you don't want to, you can face the wall if you want to. It's all right. Okay. All right. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to take several objects. Now, again, you could use the same object if you want and use that over and over. I'm taking some racquetballs here, and I'm going to use several of them. And then what I'm going to do is I have a target here. I have a basket. You can get a laundry basket. You can get a bucket, empty trash can. Remember, make sure your parents say it's okay. We want to use things that are approved. I also have a towel here on the ground. That's my marker on the ground, so I know where to throw from. And I'm going to throw underhand. We've done this before with overhand, so this time I'm going to challenge, just do underhand. Now it's kind of similar. You're stepping with your opposite foot, but we're swinging our arm forward like a pendulum, releasing it, follow through, and then it goes into the basket. All right. Woo! Man. Missed. That's all right. Oh, it's going right back to me. Use it again. In. In. Woo! I'm on a roll. Okay, I'm going to move the target. Further away, it's going to be probably harder. It's okay. All right, try this. Oh, this might be hard. Yeah, not quite enough. No, too much. Oh, it bounced in. How about that? Hey, there we go. Woo! We'll count it. There we go. All right. So that's the basket game. So I hope you enjoyed the activities we did today. We'll see you next time.